In this video, we guide you through how to recall a message in Gmail that's already been sent using Gmail's built-in undo send feature. First thing you need to do is make sure undo send is enabled by opening Gmail, going to Settings, then see All Settings, and under the General tab, set the undo send cancellation period to maximum time available. After sending an email, look at the bottom of the screen and immediately tap or click undo before the timer runs out. This will stop the email from being delivered and bring it back to drafts. Keep in mind that Gmail can only recall an email for a short time after sending, so once the undo window expires, the message can no longer be recancelled.